Yes, I 1, 2, 3. Hello. Yes, so start recording started. Okay, this is my live trades for today, Friday, October 4th, 2024. Yeah, non-farm payroll report came out, but initially, uh, already the yen crosses were already in a bullish mode for weeks, for days, and I have these live trades on. Um, I waited and took these 1 minute confirmation on upside right here. Of course, price gonna go very slow. Okay. Um, yeah, I was just looking for a pullback and continuation. And obviously, I did more on the not obviously I did for on the pound yen. As soon as I saw that it's a little pullback and trying to continue, like right here, I got in, stops behind quite a bit behind 1 minute 50. Then it pulled back to 1 minute 13. So when very fast market, very big news, very huge change in something happened fundamentally, the market can go really fast, really hard, uh, and never pull back to like a 5 minute 21. Uh, 5 minute 13 is in the play in pound yen, and same thing with Aussie yen. Okay, 5 minute is in the play. Okay, so let's look at both of them. Uh, yeah, and the price targets at the moment is a 4 hour previous 4 hour high. Yeah, I don't know when, if it's gonna happen today or Monday, but that's the part that it can just go nowhere and sideways until a few hours. So the hardest part is not entering the trade you know, seeing a seeing a sharp move and knowing that in 4 hour it's bullish and 1 hour it's been bullish high higher low and came, and it's the most beautiful setup candle action around 200 uh, outside, the most beautiful evening star, morning star, yeah, a bullish star, bullish setup, bullish candle action, NOV. So this was supposed to be, I had a trade on earlier, even before night before non-farm payroll, a small position, and of course everything is uncertain before the news, and even after the news it could go up and down, sideways, do nothing, or just go up and reverse, fake and reverse. But that's it. I have the live trades on these three yen crosses. It's a dollar yen, okay, and pound yen and Aussie yen. Target is a little bit higher. I'm already in a decent profit um, in Aussie and uh, uh, it's not like a big number of pips, but it's enough pips. And why wasn't I? No, going here means price. You never know when, if I'm buying at this level right here, price can come 50% fib possibly and then go up. So it's always never easy, but we have to take our shots based on if our top down analysis identifying top down direction pattern, or directional pattern possibility for direction, we can do that. Now look, right now price is still going nowhere, sideways. It's there's no like, it's neutral at the moment, but my target is like another maybe 50 pips higher, maybe, I don't know, like let's just say previous high, which is how many pips higher? Okay, that's 101's 37, 101, yeah, 30, 40 pips higher. Okay, at the moment, this is where uh, people spook, get scared, shaken out of their position. They start closing at tiny profit, break even, or or worse in minus. Well, minus is not worse. You should get out and look to get, rinse and repeat. If it's really, let's say this, what can happen here? Price in these pairs, We can look at side by side, and they're all pretty much doing the similar. Price can come sharply down. That's one possibility. Well, the ideal possibility for me is the price goes sharply up. Takes its time. When it's moved very slowly, that's what creates lots of emotional trigger, and that creates mistakes of action. That creates action that's wrong, mistaken, erroneous action. So I'll do another detailed video why technically and I guess fundamentally, I don't really follow them. Technically, I mean, it was a good job report today, but technically, why these three pairs can go to the moon high and go up high to the moon, but I cannot just risk everything and have a huge and a big risk. I mean, I can't just risk 20, 30, 40% of my account on this. I risk like 10, 5%, 10%, 10% of the account on this. 10% is good. 10, 12%. Yeah, because it's such a great looking bullish market for yen crosses. So it's only wise to put a little bit enough to make certain to risk 10% to make 15, 20% of the account. That's the idea. And sometime, getting out tech level with less, with 1 hour, risking 10 to make 10 is not a bad idea also. But what possibly can happen here right now? And right now, mind is just for any trader, day trader can be very triggered by this not going, and the bot is not going up right now. It's okay. There's only three possibilities. Like I said, ideal is to shoot up. Worst case scenario is to shoot down first. I mean, that's no worst case scenario is to go all the way down and take out this my stops right here. Okay, I have these stops, $12 stop, 16, 29. What I have these stops for both these. Let me put the stops on this also. Okay, so I have these stops. Worst case scenario, these stops get taken out. It's okay. The best case, the ideal case is shoot up like in next 20, 30, 40 minutes. And that would be actually not good for me. It would be such a rush that I would want to repeat that rush, that high, that excitement, adrenaline again and again, and I'll get more. The excruciatingly painful is the scenario where it just goes sideways for next 2 hours, 3 hours, who knows, hours and hours. It just go no, not higher to targets, the targets. I'm going to show you the targets. These are the targets, previous high. These are the targets, previous high. Pound has no target. Yeah, I mean weekly 200, daily 200. I mean pound, dollar yen. So dollar yen's target is daily 200. All right, almost near previous this high here. Okay, so let me put the line here. That's a target 149.30 for 20, right, 20ish for the dollar yen. All right, and let's go back to pound yen. Of course, targets. First target's previous high, then it can go to the wherever it wants to go. It's above 200 already on weekly. It's above all moving averages on weekly. It's above all moving. So pound yen definitely can go wherever it wants to. I'm just taking some profit at the previous highs on previous 1 hour high, 4 hour high. Same thing with Aussie yen, above all weekly trading, above all monthly. Monthly looking so bullish, as you can see, so bullish, so bullish. Monthly is the most bullish here. Monthly is a higher low and making a bow and arrow, but we don't gonna just never focus on that. Look at daily, bullish. I mean, sideway and up, sideway and bullish. Okay, weekly, reversing, daily, sideway and bullish, 4 hour, sideway. No, 4 hours definitely bullish because of nice, beautiful alligator jaw open, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now looking for higher high. Okay, and price turning around on 30-minute and 30-minute 200, 4 hour 21. Everything is working except it's going to be very slow and testing the patience, testing, wanting to make quick. If one, like every one of us who want to make fast money quick, big money fast, lots of money fast and quick, it's a huge test challenge. Okay, it's every one of us succumb to it and either get out of their trades because of fear, or get out of their trades because of taking a little profit, or out of fear. Of course, fear can handle retracements in a direction of the trend, vicious pullbacks that uh, actually happened in the few, a couple other charts like uh, USD Mexican, a vicious pullback, sharply V pullback all the way back to 80% of the drop, of 80% of the move, a previous move, direction move, recent swing, 80% of the recent swing, 90%. Those are so testing. Those are so challenge. So out of fear, that's it. Don't make decisions out of fear. That's ultimate wisdom of life, ultimate statement. Don't make decision, but never be reckless. Never fearless, but never reckless. So that's it. All right. I'm going to just come back. Wait, I'll just pause this and come back. I'll come back to results or next development. Okay. All right. It was. Let's go back. Definitely a really, really good day. Okay. So as I think I did, where did I leave? I was buying yen crosses. Pound yen was my champion today. Um, yeah, yen crosses based on all of them yen crosses making higher high higher lows on 4 hour time frame. Okay, uh, you can look. Okay, making a new high, coming back to moving average, making a new first made a new high, then the previous high on 4 hour moving average crossover, come back to my went up, come back to my went up. Keep People keep buying on 1 hour moving averages. Okay, as already seen many time. Okay, buy move 1 hour moving average. Price make a new high, come back to 1 hour MAs buy. Come back new hour 1 hour MAs buy. Back. Some liquidation. I think it was the big news. Oh yeah, the Iran 200 picked it up. 200 picked it up. Okay, and as of last night, Thursday night, on the 3rd of October 2024, price was right here. Where did I buy? I didn't buy it here actually. Where did I buy? Why did I wait? Oh yeah, I bought it earlier. I left it for a possibility of finishing overnight, even though it was before NFB Friday. So of course gonna dip down. It dipped down overnight when a retracement, trying to put people, new traders on the short side, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, previous low right here, confluence. So should have put a buy order here. Next time, leave your buy order at Confluence. Buy sell pending orders. Pending orders at sub confluence of support of confluence of resistance means moving averages, horizontal, previous high low, and trend lines. All right, that's it. These are the three things: trend lines, channel lines, moving averages, previous high low, horizontal lines, diagonal horizontal lines. All right, that's it. Came back, nice. And that's the least. Pound yen did so much nicer, so much better. I should have put all my chips in there. That's it. So what did happen in a shorter time frame? If we, willing to trade shorter time frame, well, why not news time? Yes, it can. Look, in the short time frame, boom, boom, boom. So I can't really go candle by candle because of this. I don't have that function here. What happened here? Uh, shoot up, shoot down. Well, I wasn't gonna take the first. I was gonna wait how far down it come. Didn't come far. Shoot up. This pin is still, could possibly possible retracement to 1 minute 50, or just turn around, fake in reverse all the way. But look, I mean, sitting here, can go one by one. Come on. Okay, this is good enough. I have a low here, a low and a rejection of the low, and you turn here and turn here means low and going high, low and high. Doesn't matter what happening upside, as long as these lows are not breaking, and even if it breaks, stop it below 21. Actually, earlier it was below 50, and then I moved it up. What happened here? Same old drama, same old story. Boring, 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 going nowhere, boring. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Worry about losing the profit, worry about price coming back down, stopping, going below my stop. All that, worries. That's a trader's mind, as trading psychology, trader psychology. So basically, this time I had to go to 5 minute chart. Nothing was okay. Luckily, at 5 minute chart, I got this. Okay, can move bar by bar. Can I put F12, F11? This? Oh, what the hell? Okay, maybe control this? No. Okay, what's going on? Okay, forget it. Okay, forget it. All right, this right here, pull back to 5 minute 20 for my old trading strategy or method that definitely worked a lot good. That and it is still good. It's still good. I have a very clean right here, very clean bow and arrow at 21, and a very clean outside ranger at 21. Outside bar, not a ranger, not a range. Outside bar at 21. That's it. And I'm always looking for previous high on 1 hour, which is I have a line here, previous high after I bought a 5 minute chart. Yeah, the previous high. Okay. Uh, 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 okay. This is 15-minute chart, previous high. Well, what's going on 5 minute chart is the test of human resolve. It's the human mind, test of a character, real test. Okay, as we can see, in the mindset of a scalper or a high frequency in a trader, take a profit. Most people, that's what most amateurs or people who never really learn better, they would get out, like get in here and get out right here in 5, 10 pips, maybe previous high here, maybe 20 pips, whatever, whatever. Yeah, 15, 20, 30, whatever it could be. They will get out its previous high. I would get out its previous high. Or I'll see price, wait, and as soon as price come to my break even, I would get out a little more. Or maybe I'll stuck around. Say, all right, I'm adamant, very painfully stuck around and being in pain, excruciating mental pain and frustration about it's not going. Finally hit another pin bar at the MA's 34 this time. Either way, this for me the excruciating test, all right, of a patient of watching pain to dry, watching pain dry. No, I mean I never did that. So watching a kettle to boil, watching put a big pot of water on a low heat and watching it to boil. Okay, checking why it's not boiling, why it's not. That's not the way it works. Okay, waiting for a bus and it's 20 minutes away and I'm checking schedule every second. All right, the rest is pretty straightforward, simple story. Right, all the huge money came in, and then there's just like probably lots of dumb money too. Smart money, dumb money, big money, small money, brokers' money, everyone's money, inside traders' money, outside traders' money, uh, brokers, anyone's grandmother's money, Japanese Mrs. Watabe, Watabe's money, Japanese housewife money, and depends where you get out. Now, that's it. In a profit, let's say I got in like right around here, 30 pips. This is small. Pound yen did a lot more. Should have put a lot more money in there. Okay. Pound yen after the first impulse, first real directional candle, conditional candle. Sideways, this pin showing a buyers pushing up, buyers pushing a little bit higher than this, pushing up, pushing up. No matter where I took it, fast, impulsively, well, fear of missing out was always there, so I got it. So fuck it, stop is here. When did this happen? Like stop is here. Okay, where stop is here. Let's just look at it. Okay, so this I'm here. Stop is here. Oh, big stop, right? 100. Oh my God, 170 pips stop, 150 minimum 150 pip. Oof. If this had some kind of opposing news, then NFB some kind of something else. But I would have should have probably would have started getting out based on these price action. And if after this candle price made a nice, very sharp down move, like a very very big outside ranger to the downside, I had no reason to stay in. No reason. I mean, that's what I should practice. In and out, rinse and repeat. Then I could have gone back in after something like this. Like something like this. Like right here. All right. Right here. That's for my own, you know, lesson to remember for me. Price going below 30, below 20, yes, it can bounce up. But if it's showing sideways and down or large shoot pin up and down, 15-minute making a sharp pin bar down, no, get out. Get out. You're going to lose money because it's going to try to bounce off 13, 20, 34, 50. And each time you try to not complete a real confirmation of reversal, complete U around 20, this, even a complete U can be busted, can be broken to the opposite side. But look, the bigger time frame top down analysis always 8 out of 10 times going to put you in the right direction. Since we already showed Aussie, and I'm going to show it here. Bottom line, let me finish this 5 minute. But the only thing I'm going to tell you is here, this is a beautiful trade that went above the previous high. And I'm just like, I'm missing out all the future profits right now because I'm out waiting for a pullback. Pullback may never come. May never come. Look at the 1 hour. This is the most beautiful pocket aces. Ace of spade. You know, most beautiful pocket aces. A beautiful double pin, triple pin. and outside bar around 200. Stuff that dreams are made of. And funny thing is, repeats every other day in some every day in some time frame, and in many pairs, in few pairs, some time frame. I'm watching 5, 6 pairs. It's gonna happen in either 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, hour. So 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 hour. 1 minute to 1 hour is gonna happen, and like we're only trading four time frame: 1, 5, 15, 30, and 1, 5, 15, 30, and 1, 5, 15, 30, and 1 hour and 4 hours. Six time frame. Barely ever take based on uh, daily or 4 hour, mostly 1 hour and 30 minutes. And anyway, so this is a beautiful setup. Happened overnight. Happened 2 in the morning. Come on. The only thing I could have done, I left the open trade here last night at this level just to, see if it can do something. Or it can, of course, I knew it can come down. My stop was right below previous low, buying here around 10, 11 at night. Yes, of course, it's going to take out the Japanese Asian trader stop loss. This is one Tabi stop loss. Okay, Japanese also have stop loss. So what happened now? Boom, 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 boom. Non-farm payroll just kept it continuation in the same 4 hour direction, or it was on since when? Since this? Oh God, it's first real reversal breakout happened. Okay, let me tighten up a little. Okay, this is it. First reversal breakout happened in what, August, July, June 7th. What is it? It's June, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, yeah, it is June. We could let me look at it bigger. June. No, August. Oh, what are you? We're not looking at daily chart. We're looking at recent chart. August, September. Where are we? Yeah, okay, we're in 10. It doesn't matter. This is where it happened. You can look it up where the price was, and after this huge liquidation, where was price? It was August 5th. Yeah, August 5th, September 11. It's September 13. I made a low 9/11, huh? I made another beautiful setup to go down. Swing trading buy, swing trading sell, buy based on higher low in 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minute rever- continuation, 4 hour beautiful reversal candle pattern on September the 3rd, September 3rd or 4th, and September 11. Yeah, previous low here. Take your nice onion, take your nice run of 750, 800 pips. I'll say cut, give and take 650, 700 pips in 3 days, right? Well, it doesn't matter. It's gonna change every time. What's happening now? Okay, let's move it. Bottom line is higher low and 4 hour, higher, nice sharp liquidation. That wasn't ready to reverse. Just came to whatever the fundamental reasons were. Whatever this was, I think the war news or something. No, it was before. It was Japanese news. Something insider activity. God knows what these billion trillionaires are buying, selling for in the funds. So what happened? 4 hour turnaround. So came in. 200 came in the play. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Boom, 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 boom. 1 hour, that was 4 hour. So what happened? 1 hour, of course, doesn't look much if you're looking at sitting here. You're looking at sitting here, it looks like, oh, it can just go to this trend line or come down or whatever. Uh, okay, doesn't matter. Did it come? Yeah, yeah. Funny. Trend line did happen. You're right. And maybe this also came into play. No, not this. What came into play? Let's say what kind of horizontal. Not much. Either way, I need to put so many line. One is enough. Okay, this came in the play, and then moving at confluence again. Put a pending order for reversal from at confluence of tech levels. And that's it. Reversal at tech level at confluence of reversal at confluence of tech level. Hagler, Christian, trading bootcamp guys every single day. Buy it, support, sell it, resistance. Put a confluence, identify confluence of support and resistance. Put the pending orders because you can't trade 24 hours. And this happened like what, 2, 3 in the morning. No way. I'm gonna stay crazy. This bought here, if I just put the buy order of 200, okay, with the stop behind the previous low, whatever, 200 pip stop, buy 200, touch of 200. Right now, I would have been in like, what, how many pips? Huh, can't even count that high. 200, 300? Yeah, so hard to see. 300 pips. 300 pips. Okay, 1 minute. Overnight, $300. Nice. Okay. All right, I'm done for the day, man. Watching Tom Haggard, Tom H, Tom Trader Tom, the genius in many ways, telling me just take a good setup, stop, and never get ups, never really get over, go above and beyond the sentimental emotions of anything, you know, rejection, of being stopping up. Not rejection. It's just a call for other opportunity. It's just a message for, hey, is another opportunity gonna be around the corner? And turn back, take a tread, boom, 300 pips, 400 pips, 50, 16 pip on a nice size. All right then. Was it here? What did it do? It's just the usual. It's took a sweet 3 hours, 4 hours to get me into about nice 100. I probably took 80 pips here, 80 pips, 80 to 100 pip profit. Just worrying, what if, like sitting here and worrying, watching every 1 minute candle is, what if it come down? Let's take few dollars. Let's come down, let's take 10 pips, 20. That's not the way to live. That's not to have a life. Never gonna have a good life like that. Never have a life with dreams and security and satisfaction in that. Well, when you say what's the what good is that? What satisfaction is that? Living like that. All right, day's over. 1 p.m. and Friday afternoon. We're pretty much under the weather. Gonna close it, close the charts. Well, this one. Still want to watch what Trader Tom did. Tom H. On guard. Yeah, it's amazing. Very much admire his everything about him. Clean guy. Really resonate. Really, my mental compatibility is amazing. Amazing with me. Um, Read his book for sure many times. The Best Loser when he wrote the book. All right, done deal. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna leave this 3 pairs on a 30-minute, 15-minute time frame. Yeah, if I get and Dalian, of course, we didn't do. We'll do that analysis at times. Really, actually, we're the most bullish in the price action in terms of breaking new highs, and we'll figure out where can it go next. Leaving a small open position that I took last night, very small, half micro, I mean, through 5 micro, half mini in the ASEAN, and see where it goes on a weekly chart. Maybe here, maybe above. I don't know. Maybe it has like another at least 500 plus pips available. Let's see what happens. Let's take care of 5 minute thing though right now. All right. Just in case, what today? Too bad. It's the weekend. Sunday night, Monday morning, price come to Price gonna go probably up, 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 and neutral and up mostly. If it happened to drop to 15-minute 21 somewhere, that's it. Or it should be in that. Let's figure out the confluences of support in the uptrend. I'm only buying. I'm only gonna buy yen crosses until see something very something very big change of act that trend by trend change. That's it. All right then. Uh, until next time.